The International Baccalaureate Primary Years Programme, or PYP, is special. It is designed for young children. It is for students aged 3 to 12. This program is part of the wider International Baccalaureate. Its main aim is to develop the whole child. It is a framework for learning. It is not just a list of facts to memorize. The PYP encourages deep curiosity in every student. It wants children to love learning from a very young age. It helps prepare them for a world that changes quickly. Many schools around the globe use this wonderful program. The core purpose of the PYP is truly important. It wants to help create young people who are inquirers. It wants them to be knowledgeable and also very caring. The program helps children understand a vital idea. It teaches them that other people with their different views can also be right. It fosters a spirit of active participation in their own learning journey. It inspires them to believe they can make a positive difference. This difference can be in their own lives and in the wider world. The PYP is about building strong character alongside important academic skills. It places great emphasis on empathy and genuine respect for everyone. The PYP has a strong focus on the whole child. It firmly believes that true education is much more than just academic subjects. It actively nurtures a child's social and emotional growth. It also supports their physical and cultural development. This approach helps children become well-rounded individuals. The program encourages children to be creative. It pushes them to think critically about the world around them. It even values play as a vital form of learning and exploration. It supports children in understanding themselves better and finding their unique place in the world. This holistic approach is absolutely vital for their genuine growth and happiness. Creating lifelong learners is a central mission of the PYP. The program aims to ignite a powerful passion for learning. This passion is intended to last for a whole lifetime. It teaches children how to learn effectively. It does not just focus on what they should learn. It equips them with the essential skills to ask good questions. It also teaches them how to seek out the answers for themselves. It prepares them to adapt well to new and unfamiliar situations. The PYP encourages constant reflection on their own learning journey. This strong foundation helps them succeed in all their future education and throughout their lives. The learner profile is at the very heart of the PYP. It is a central part of the program. It clearly describes 10 important attributes. These are qualities we want all children to develop and show. These attributes are inquirers, knowledgeable, thinkers, communicators, principled, open-minded, caring, risk-takers, balanced, and reflective. These qualities are not just words on a page. They help students become responsible and active members of their local community. They also help them in their national and global communities. These attributes are carefully woven into all aspects of daily school life. They guide both behavior and the approach to learning. The PYP curriculum is thoughtfully organized around 6 transdisciplinary themes. These themes are big, overarching ideas. They help children explore important concepts about the world. The 6 themes are who we are, where we are in place and time, how we express ourselves, how the world works, how we organize ourselves, and sharing the planet. These themes are special because they go beyond traditional subject boundaries. They help children connect their learning to real-life issues and situations. This makes the learning experience much more relevant and deeply engaging for every young student. It shows how ideas connect across different fields. Key concepts are another vital component of the PYP. These are powerful, broad ideas that have relevance within subjects. They also have relevance across different subjects. They help children to think deeply and make connections. There are 8 key concepts in the PYP. These are form, what is it like? Function, how does it work? Causation, why is it like it is? Change, how is it changing? Connection, how is it connected to other things? Perspective, what are the points of view? Responsibility, what is our responsibility? And reflection, how do we know? These important concepts are used to drive student inquiries and investigations. Approaches to learning, often called ATL skills, are also crucial. These are specific skills that children actively develop. These skills help them learn in more effective ways. They are not taught as separate subjects on their own. Instead, they're carefully integrated and taught through the units of inquiry. There are 5 main categories of ATL skills. These are thinking skills, social skills, communication skills, self-management skills, and research skills. These skills truly empower students. They help them to become independent and confident learners. They are absolutely crucial for success in school and in life beyond the classroom. They help students manage complex information well. In the PYP, subjects are not always taught in isolation. They are not kept in separate boxes. Instead, learning is very often integrated. This happens through what are called units of inquiry. This means children explore big concepts and important ideas. They do this by connecting knowledge from different subject areas. These areas include language, mathematics, science, social studies, the arts, and personal, social, and physical education. This integrated approach helps children to see the bigger picture more clearly. It shows them how different areas of knowledge relate to each other in the real world. It makes learning much more meaningful and memorable. Each of the 6 transdisciplinary themes is explored in depth. This happens through several units of inquiry throughout the school year. For example, under the theme Sharing the Planet, students might investigate important global issues. They might look into water scarcity or the importance of biodiversity. They would use science skills to understand ecosystems. They would use social studies to learn about human impact and responsibilities. They would use mathematical skills to analyze data they collect. And they would use language skills to communicate their findings and ideas. They might create presentations, build models, or even take positive action in their community. This active, hands-on learning is absolutely key to the PYP philosophy. The teacher in a PYP classroom plays a very special role. They are more of a facilitator and a guide. They are not usually a traditional lecturer standing at the front. They work hard to create a stimulating and supportive learning environment. They skillfully pose questions to provoke curiosity and deep thinking. They support students as they undertake their inquiries and investigations. They help students develop and practice the important ATL skills. Teachers also collaborate closely with each other. They plan together and reflect together on the units of inquiry. They observe and assess student learning in many diverse and authentic ways. Their main role is to empower student agency and voice. A common question parents and educators ask is very important. They wonder if the PYP adequately covers foundational skills. These include vital skills like literacy and numeracy. The answer to this is a resounding and confident yes. These essential skills are explicitly taught. They're also carefully and meaningfully integrated into the units of inquiry. For instance, children develop their reading and writing skills. They do this as they research various topics. They also improve as they communicate their understanding to others. They use mathematical concepts when they measure things, collect data, or solve problems related to their current inquiry. This makes the development of these core skills highly relevant and purposeful for all students. The PYP's inquiry-based approach truly sparks children's natural curiosity. It gets them excited about learning. Children are consistently encouraged to ask many questions. They are supported to explore their own unique interests. They are empowered to take ownership of their learning journey. This active involvement leads to much deeper engagement. It also fosters a genuine and lasting love for discovering new things. In a PYP classroom, students are not passive recipients of information. They become active investigators and thinkers. This intrinsic motivation is an incredibly powerful driver for successful learning. School becomes an exciting place of exploration and discovery every day. Developing international mindedness is a core aim of the International Baccalaureate. Therefore, it is also central to the PYP. This means actively fostering an understanding and deep appreciation of different cultures. It involves learning about diverse perspectives and important global issues. Children learn to see themselves as part of a wider world community. They develop empathy and genuine respect for other people. This kind of understanding is absolutely crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. It helps them grow into responsible and caring global citizens. It prepares them to live and work with people from all backgrounds. This is a vital skill for the future. The PYP places a strong emphasis on developing skills. These are skills that are essential for success in the 21st century. These skills include critical thinking and creative problem solving. They also include effective communication and positive collaboration, and of course fostering creativity itself. These are the approaches to learning ATL skills we discussed earlier. Children learn how to adapt to new situations. They learn to innovate and to work effectively with others in teams. These are not just academic skills learned for school, they are truly life skills. They prepare students for challenges and opportunities that we cannot yet even imagine. The PYP provides a strong and truly holistic foundation. This foundation supports a child's entire educational journey and their life beyond school. It fosters not just academic achievement, which is important, it also promotes personal growth, well-being, and happiness. By encouraging students to be curious, caring, and principled learners, the PYP empowers them. It helps them believe they can make a positive impact on the world around them. Choosing the PYP is an investment in developing compassionate, competent, and confident individuals. These young people will be ready to face the future with courage and open minds. It is a choice for a richer, more engaging, and more human education.